Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making Instant Pot chicken and gnocchi soup. Alright guys, I'm starting with my Instant Pot. I have it set on saute and it's heating up. I'm going to start by adding a little bit of olive oil in here. Thank you, Dexter. And I'm going to add in 2 tablespoons of butter. Now my butter's frozen, but it'll thaw quick in here. And I'm just going to get it going in here. And Dexter's really talkative at the moment, guys. And this is going to be a good hearty soup for a cold pre-winter day. Winter's just around the corner. Okay, now while that melts, I have 1 carrot I julienned, 2 stalks of celery I sliced, and 1 onion I diced. I'm going to go ahead and get that in there and get that sauteing. And we're just going to saute this just for a few minutes. Dexter! You all charged up today, huh? I think he's getting adjusted to the time zone difference, guys. Alright, now I'm going to add in some garlic. If you would use fresh garlic, use about 2 cloves, but I'm using the jarred olive, so I'm going to put in a healthy forkful of it. Okay, now I'm going to allow this to saute for a few minutes so my vegetables are tender. Okay, now my vegetables sauteed for a few minutes and they're starting to turn translucent and get tender. I'm going to add in my seasonings. I'm going to add in a teaspoon of salt. This is all to taste, guys. I'm going to add in about a half a teaspoon of black pepper. Thank you, Dexter. And I'm going to add in a teaspoon of dry thyme. You can also use fresh thyme if you like. I'm just using dry today. Now I'm going to add in 4 cups of chicken broth. And I'm just scraping the sides of my pot to get the vegetables loose that are on the sides. Okay, now I have some boneless, skinless chicken breast here. I'm going to add that in there. And this here is just 2 chicken breast. Okay, now I'm not going to do this because my hands are dirty. I'll do it with my left hand here. I'm going to put my lid on here. Make sure I set on seal. And I'm going to push the soup setting on here, which is 9 minutes. But I'm going to turn my time up to 15 minutes. Now when my 15 minutes are up, I'll do a quick release of the pressure. We'll pull that chicken out there, we'll shred it, put it back in, and I'll move on to the next step. Okay, now that my time is up and I did that quick release, I pulled my chicken out and I set it aside just for now. I'm going to shred that up and add it back in. I set this back on saute and we're bringing it up to a boil. I'm going to stir in a half a cup of flour. And I'm just eyeballing this, guys. What? And these lumps will cook out. I probably would have did a flour water slurry if I could have redone it, but that's fine. Okay, that's looking good on the flour. And like I said, I'll just smash up these lumps and they will cook out as this cooks. Okay, now I'm going to add in 2 cups of half and half, and it's a 2-cup container. And I'm going to add in 1 cup of chopped spinach. I'm just using frozen spinach, guys. You can use fresh spinach and chop it up if you like. I'm just doing the easy way here. I'm just going to eyeball this. Okay, that's about a cup. Okay, we're looking good so far, guys. Now I have a 13-ounce package of gnocchi, and if you're not sure what a gnocchi is, it's a potato pasta, sort of like a little dumpling. I'm going to get that in there. What I'm going to do is I'm going to bring this up to a boil. When this comes up to a boil, I'm going to allow this to boil for 7 minutes so that the gnocchi's cooked. In the meantime, I'm going to shred my chicken up and return that back in. So I'm going to bring this up to a boil, let this cook for 7 minutes, and then I'll bring you guys back. Alright guys, this is done. Now my gnocchi only cooked probably for about 3 minutes. Once it starts to float, it's done. You don't want to overdo it. Let me get in here and give this a try. start with a piece of gnocchi. You can see it's a nice hearty soup. Nice and tender. Cooked well. Here's that chicken. Really good, really tender, nice creamy broth on it. That's really good, guys. Alright, there you have it. Instant Pot chicken and gnocchi soup. Give it a try. Thanks for watching, and until next time, I'll see ya.